Good morning children, welcome to all once again. I am Mrs. Rani Sheikh from NCMS school. So children, in previous video we have studied nouns singular and plural. Today we are going to discuss our third chapter from grammar book. The name of your chapter is nouns gender. So children, how many types of numbers in English grammar? Do you remember that? Yes, there are two types of numbers in English grammar, singular number and plural number. So children, what is singular number? Singular number means single name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, a boy, a girl, etc. So children, what is plural noun? Plural noun means more than one name of a person, place, animal or thing. So children, let's begin the exercise. Chapter 3, nouns gender. So children, what is gender? Gender is a category of a noun. So children, what is gender? Gender is a category. Category means class of a noun. So there are four genders in English language. They are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. So there are four types of gender in English grammar. They are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. So what is masculine gender? Let's see. Masculine gender. The name of all male person or animals come under this gender. Example, man, uncle, waiter, king and fox. So children, the name of all male person or male animal come under this gender. They are called masculine gender. For example, man. What is man children? Man is the name of a male person. That is a masculine gender. What is uncle? Uncle is the name of a male person. That is masculine gender. Waiter. Waiter also the name of a male person. That is masculine gender. King also. But what is fox? What is fox? Fox is the male animal. That is a masculine gender. Next, feminine gender. So children, what is feminine gender? Let's see. Feminine gender, the name of all female person or animals come under this gender. So children, name of all female person or female animal. Female person or female animals come under this gender. For example, woman, aunt, waitress, queen, vixen. So children, what is woman? Woman is the name of a female person. That is a feminine gender. Aunt. What is aunt? Aunt is the name of a female person. That is a feminine gender. Waitress. What is waitress? The name of a female person. That is a feminine gender. Queen also. But what is vixen children? Do you know? Yes. Female fox. Common gender. What is common gender children? Let's see. Common gender, there are certain names that can be used for both male and female nouns. Such names come under common gender. I repeat this definition. There are certain names that can be used for both male and female nouns. Such names come under common gender. So children, we used both male person or female person, that is a common gender. For example, doctor, teacher, student, child and animal. So children, doctor. While listening to the doctor, can you distinguish between male and female? No, it's not possible. So children, teacher. Teacher also, while listening to the teacher, can you distinguish between a male teacher or female teacher? No. So children, doctor, teacher, student, child and animal come under this common gender. Next, neuter gender. What is neuter gender? Neuter gender, nouns that stand for non-living things are of the neuter gender. I repeat this definition. Nouns that stand for non-living things are of the neuter gender. So children, non-living thing means lifeless object. Lifeless object is called neuter gender. For example, pen, box, table, chair, paper, board, etc. So children, what is pen? Pen is a non-living thing. It has no life. That is a neuter gender. Box. What is box? Non-living thing. It is non-living thing. It has no life. That is box, neuter gender. Table also. It has no life. That is neuter gender. Chair also. Paper also. It has no life. It is also non-living thing. That is a neuter gender. Board. Non-living thing. It has no life. That is board is also neuter gender. Gender of nouns. So some ways of forming the feminine of nouns. by using an entirely different word. I repeat this line, by using an entirely different word. So children, what is masculine? Masculine means male person or male animal. Feminine means female person or female animal. So children, what is boy? The name of a male person. Boy change with girl. Girl, what is girl? Girl, the name of a female person. So boy change with girl, brother change with sister. Cock, what is cock children? Cock is a male animal. So cock change with female animals with hen. Cock change with hen. King, king change with queen. Husband change with wife and uncle change with aunt. Ways of forming the feminine of nouns by adding ess to the masculine gender. I repeat this line, by adding ess to the masculine gender. So children, masculine means name of a male person or male animal. Feminine means female person or female animal. So what is god? God, by adding ess, God become goddess. Lion, lion by adding ess, lion become lioness. Poet, poet by adding ess, poet become poetess. Count, by adding ess, count become countess. In some words, ess is added after dropping the last vowel. What is this? After dropping the last vowel, the masculine. So children, masculine here and feminine. Tiger, we before R, what is here? E. What is E? It is vowel. So children, we have removed this E and then add ess. So tiger become tigress. Hunter, we have removed this E and then add ess. So children, hunter become huntress. Actor, we have removed this O, then you add ess. So actor become actress. So children, sometimes the feminine gender can be formed by changing the masculine word at the beginning or end of a compound word. So children, what is compound word? Do you know? Yes, compound noun formed by joining two or more nouns. Joining two or more nouns. So some masculine name here and feminine name also given here. Peacock. Peacock is a compound noun. Cock change with hen. So children, peacock become peahen. He change with she and he goat change with she goat. Grandfather. Grandfather also a compound name. Father change with mother. So grandfather change with grandmother. Son-in-law. Son change with daughter. So children, son-in-law change with daughter-in-law. Washerman. Washerman change with washerwoman. So children, let's do exercise. Write M for masculine gender, F for feminine gender, C for common gender and N for neuter gender. So children, what is a statue? Do you know? A statue is a non-living thing. It has no life. That is a neuter gender. Driver, it is common name. So children, driver is a common name of a person. Steward, male person, male name of a person, that is a masculine gender. Girl, girl according to this name, she is feminine gender. Girl is a feminine gender. Then girl denote F for feminine gender. Horse, horse is a male animal. Gentleman for male person, milkmaid female person and widow also female person. Cupboard also non-living thing, it has no life, so cupboard is neuter gender. Question 2. Rewrite the sentences after changing the gender of the nouns in bold. Make other necessary changes. So first is the poet. What is poet children? Poet is a masculine gender, the name of a male person. Read out his poem to the lords. Lords change with feminine gender. Seated in the court. So children, the poet read out his poem to the lords seated in the court. So children, poet is a masculine gender. Masculine change with feminine gender. So poet become poetess. Lords become ladies. So children, answer is the poetess read out her poems to the ladies seated in the court. Next, The fox took his cubs into the burrow to protect them from the lion. So children, what is fox? Male animals, and lion also male animals. Both change with female animals. So here answer is fox change with vixen. The vixen took her cubs into the burrow to protect them from the lioness. Third number, the master of the house took care of the horses in his stable. So children, master is the masculine gender and horses also male animals. The master change with mistress and horses change with mares. So answer is the mistress of the house took care of the mares in her stable. Next number, fourth number, the milkmaid dropped the pitcher of milk at the gate of the duke's castle. So children, milkmaid change with milkman and dukes change with duchess. So answer is the milkman dropped the pitcher of milk at the gate of the duchess castle. Next, the saleswoman waited for a long time to meet the man of the house. So saleswoman change with salesman. Answer is the salesman waited for a long time the lady of the house. Sixth number, the duck swam in the pond and the hen walked around the farm. So children, duck change with drake and hen change with cock. Hen is a female animal and cock masculine gender. The drake swam in the pond and the cock walked around the farm. Seventh number, the washerman worked 10 hours a day so that he could send his son to school. So children, washerman is a male masculine gender, his male person, son also male person. So washerman and son change with feminine gender. The washerman change with washerwoman. So children, the washerwoman worked 10 hours a day so that she could send her daughter to school. Son change with daughter. Eighth, the emperor gifted the schoolmaster a plot of land for educating the young princess well. The emperor change empress gifted the schoolmistress a plot of land for educating the young princesses well. 9 number, the he goat bleated loudly at the sight of the tiger coming into the village. So children, he goat change with she goat. He goat, what is he goat? He goat is a masculine animal, masculine gender. So he change with she. So answer is the she goat bleated loudly at the sight of the tigress coming into the village. 10 number, the witch cast a spell on the cruel king and turned him into a bear. So witch change with wizard. So answer is the wizard cast a spell on the cruel queen and turned her into a bear. Question number C. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the underlined nouns with a noun denoting common gender. Use the words from the box. So some common words given here, common gender given here: horses, sheep, children, relatives, parents, grandparents and adult. First number is Harry has a dozen rams and ewes. So children, what is rams and ewes? So rams is a male sheep and ewes is a female sheep. So answer is Harry has a dozen sheep in his farm. Second is Harry also has colts and mares on his farm. Colts, what is colts? Male horse, and mares is female horse. Harry also has horses in his farm. Next, many boys and girls were invited to visit Harry's farm. So children, boys the male gender and girls female gender. So boys and girls change with children. Many children were invited to visit Harry's farm. They were accompanied by their mothers and fathers. So answer is they were accompanied by their parents. We call mother and father parents. Some children were also accompanied by their uncles and aunts. So children, what is uncle and aunts? Relatives. So answer is some children were also accompanied by their relatives. 6. Harry's grandmother and grandfather were also present to welcome the guests. So children, grandmother and grandfather change with grandparents. So Harry's grandparents were also present to welcome the guests. 7th number, all the men and women along with the children enjoyed themselves on the farm. So men and women, what is men and women? Masculine gender and feminine gender. Men and women change with adults. So answer is all the adults along with the children enjoy themselves on the farm. Thank you. So children, I hope you understand nouns and its gender very well. Thank you.